Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing the key that suits your voice. I recommend D major or transpose down to C to simplify chords. Place your right hand on the opening melody, finger 1-3-2 for smooth legato, and consider octaves where marked. Once done, plant the left hand on root fifth patterns and use a short pedal press, half-beat lifts, to blend harmony without blurring. Practice the first two measures slowly at tempo 60 until both hands feel secure and the melodic. Now you move into the middle section where harmony and rhythm interact. Focus on adding an inner voice with thirds or sixths under the melody to create warmth. Make sure to lock the rhythmic pulse by accenting beats 1 and 3 while using subtle syncopation on offbeats to propel the phrase. Once your hands coordinate, shape dynamics, swell into the chorus lines, and pull back to piano during verses, so the lyric line remains foregrounded. Repeat in short loops, gradually increasing to performance tempo. To finish, you assemble a full chordal cadence and voice top notes clearly. Play the last measure with full voicings, and release the pedal on the final beat so the resolution is clean. Make a small ritardando into the final chord for expressive closure, but keep the approach steady so the tempo remains believable. If a passage trips you up, isolate the troublesome bar and practice hands separately at 40% speed. Then slowly reintegrate until muscle memory holds under tempo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.